And joining me on the phone now is Mr. Justin Davis. He's the Vice President of Domestic Relations with Magna Gas. MNGA is their stock symbol. Justin, good to talk to you again.
You as well, Don. Thanks for having me back.
Justin, real quick, tell us again what the company does.
Absolutely. The technology, Magna Gas, converts liquid waste, be it sewage and sludge, all the way up to petroleum-based wastes like antifreeze, used motor oil, used cooking oil, converts that into a clean-burning fuel. So we remove dangerous wastes from the environment and put back into the market a very clean, productive fuel that can be used as a replacement for natural gas, for propane, or for things like acetylene in the metalworking market.
You know, that's just amazing that your technology can take something that's essentially hazardous waste and turn it into clean burning fuel. Now, I know there's a lot of things that have happened since we last spoke, so I'm going to give you the floor. What's new?
Sure. Yeah, and we have gone through quite a busy couple of weeks here since we last spoke. Some things happening both domestically and abroad. I will just give you a bit of a laundry list. We received the CE mark of quality in Europe, which basically means that we met all European standards for manufacturing and for the quality of the process itself. It may not seem like a big deal, but what this actually does is it opens up the European Union to us to be able to sell Magna Gas refineries into that market. And of course, we own, as Magna Gas Corporation, the public company, 20% of the entity that now can sell into that vast and very hungry market in terms of new environmental products. Thereafter, we went to FabTech down in Atlanta, which is North America's largest metalworking event. We had a booth there. We demonstrated the ability of the fuel to cut live for 25,000 people that were wandering the halls, developed some really great relationships strategically in terms of new customers, and really got the word out there. I think everyone that came by was amazed that we could do what we do, both in terms of processing some harmful things and then turning out a product that they found more effective than anything that they had used themselves. Just this week, we announced our financials for the last quarter. The main learning gleaned from that was that we could demonstrate, in no uncertain terms, that we could achieve 60% plus gross margins on the sale of our big-ticket equipment refineries, and that really sets us up as a very, obviously, potentially lucrative business line going forward. So while the technology is, in itself, pretty amazing, the business underlying we can now demonstrate is one with a very high potential as well.
Well, Justin, finally, I always like a guest that gets right to the point, gives me a lot of information. Again, Justin Davis, he's the Vice President of Domestic Relations with Magna Gas. The stock symbol's MNGA. Justin, thanks for the update. Look forward to hearing from you again.
Thanks, Don.
Take care.